In today's world of digital marketing, grabbing your audience's attention is super important. And it doesn't help that marketing and how you do your marketing on Facebook changes all the time. This makes it super crucial to craft compelling ads that hook your audience. But what makes an ad hook truly irresistible? Well, today we're going to be revealing the secret sauce on how to craft a compelling ad hook. So before we get into how to do it and look at the strategy, let's really get an understanding of what an ad hook is. Well, the ad hook is the initial part of your advertisement. It grabs the attention, it generates interest, and really entices the viewer of the ad to take action or keep reading. In short, it's just the first impression. And as we know in marketing, the first impression truly matters. So why does a hook work? Well, the human brain is really wired to respond to certain things. And by leveraging psychological triggers such as curiosity, urgency, and relatability, you can create an ad that really speaks directly to your audience's motives and wants. As we know, as humans, we're naturally curious. When we're faced with something that's incomplete or we can't find the answer, we cannot stop thinking about it until we find that answer. So to use this to our advantage in marketing, well, we would create an ad that would partially answer a question, leaving a cliffhanger at the end of the ad. This could then make the viewer curious, and their curiosity could take over and they will just have to click on that ad. Another big motivator is the fear of missing out. If you create a sense of urgency in your ad, you could drive faster responses and make the viewer feel that they need to take immediate action. Then also, your ad hook should speak with your audience on a personal level. You want to understand their pain points, aspirations, and desires, and then craft a message that really speaks directly to them. So let's look at this step by step. First, you need to know your audience. You need to conduct research to really understand who your audience is, their pain points, their desires, and really what they're looking for. Second, focus on benefits and not features. So really what this means is highlight what your product or what your service can do for the viewer and how it can make their life or their job easier. This is better than just highlighting the features of your product, because sometimes the viewer will not understand how it will benefit them. So if you tell them how it will, well, then it makes it easier for them to make the connection in their mind and then possibly click on your ad. Third, use strong and action-oriented words. You want to use words that really invoke excitement or urgency or draw out the emotion of the viewer. Number 4, test, analyze, and optimize. You want to do A and B testing to really see which hook is working best for you, because you're obviously going to develop more than one hook and you need to see which one works the best. And then obviously you would optimize for the best possible ad. Number 5, keep it short and sweet. As we know, our attention spans are very short, so you want to keep your ad short and to the point so the viewer can pay attention to it, get the information, and then go on their way. So as we know, the advertising landscape is very competitive. And as we found out today, a compelling ad hook can really be the difference between a wasted amount of money on an ad or a successful ad campaign. And really, by understanding the psychology of the human brain and what makes humans act, we can then develop a great ad hook. So follow this step-by-step guide to create your next ad hook and see how it benefits you. And if you do that, well, you'll be well on your way to creating Facebook ads that actually convert. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And to stay updated on when we post, hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever we have a new video up. Lastly, check out these other videos right here because I guarantee that you will like them.